Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3, we are starting exercise 14.2, which is timetables. Question 1. Use the timetable to answer the questions. Here is a timetable. First column, bus stop. Second to fifth, it will be bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, and bus 4. Our first question, what time does bus 2 arrive at Altash Way? What time it will arrive? Bus 2. So where is bus 2? This is a bus 2. And then what time does bus 2 arrive at Altash Way? It will be arrive 8:50. Very simple answer. Next, Sarah lives at Orange Street. She gets the bus at 8:15. What time does she arrive at school? So where is Orange Street? This is Orange Street. And she gets the bus 8:15. It means she is using bus 3. What time does she arrive at school? School, she will arrive at 8:45. Right? Next question is very important. Rajan lives at Baker Avenue. Where is Baker Avenue? This is Baker Avenue. He needs to get to school by 8:30. What buses could he catch to arrive in time? So before 8:30, if you want to arrive, he can use bus 1 and bus 2 because both bus will arrive before 8:30. It means bus 1. So we can write like this way. He can use bus 1 or bus 2, right? Because bus 1 will arrive 8:22 and bus 2 will arrive 8:19. Okay, so what buses could he catch to arrive in time? He can uses bus 1 and or bus 2 to arrive in time. Next question. Rajana is traveling home from school. He says that his timetable is not helpful. Is he correct? Explain your answer. So what do you think? Is he correct? Look, here the bus is mentioned only stop to destination, but no information about returning, right? Look, Rajana is traveling home from school. So from home to school, it's easy to catch the class. He says that his timetable is not helpful. Is he correct? Yes. Yes, because the timetable only shows buses going to school, not returning, right? So he is correct. So exercise 14.2, question 1 done. Second question. Here is part of a train timetable. Destination, train 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So be careful about thinking. Okay. Question A train leaves Bright Villa at 10:45. Where is Bright Villa? This one. What time does it arrive at downtown? This is downtown. 10:43. A train leaves Bright Villa. 10:43. It means using train 3. So, what time does it arrive at downtown? At 11:23. Okay. Next question. A train leaves Blue City at 2:46. Blue City 2:46. It means using train 6. What time does it get in Central Town? Where is Central Town? It is a 2:58. At 2:58. Which train do not stop downtown? So where is downtown? So here is two train are not to downtown. So here is a one train, two train is not arrive, or which train do not stop at downtown? Downtown, sorry, it's not town, downtown. 2 and 6, right? So train 2 and 6. Okay. Next, what time does a train leave from Blue City? Where is Blue City? This is Blue City. To get to Central Town at 11:38. 11:38. What time does the train leave from Blue City to get the Central Town at 11:38? So 11:38, we cannot use 11:51 because we have to arrive before 11:38. It means we can use 11:23. So if you stay in Blue City, you can use train 3 and you can easily arrive before 11:38, right? So we can use which one? What time does a train leave from Blue City to get the Central Town at 11:38? So it should be which time? 10:58. We can write train 3. What time does the train leave from Blue City to get the Central Town? At 11:38. So 11:38 is the best way to use train 3 because leave 10:58 and it will be arrive 11:23. And last question, what time does the train leave from Bright's Villa to arrive at Central Town? 8:31. So 8:31, if anybody want to arrive Central Town, this is a Central Town, 8:31. So Bright Villa to get 8:1, train 1. So we can write train 1, which will be start 8:01. Okay, so very simple. So this is a nice thing. If you understand in childhood timetable in younger time, once you travel to anywhere, you can easily understand the train or airlines or bus timetable. So number 2 done. This part is very important, and also you can write this one as per your choice. It's an approximate answer. First, you are going to make your own timetable. You can use the empty timetable below, or you can draw your own or separate piece of paper. So first thing about what lessons you have today, write this into a heading boxes. So we can write this one study what lessons you have today. So lesson, suppose we are studying math, second English, third we can write science, next we can say ICT. It's up to you, anything. Write down when each lesson begins and when it ends. So start int. So math, I am starting suppose 9 a.m. it means 9 and it's finished 10. It's up to you, you may start more earlier or later. Next English 10 to let's say 10:45, right? Science we can write 11 and it still study up to 11:30. ICT can be start 12 and small time we are starting like 15 minutes. Okay, this is up to you. So number A and B done. Ask a partner question about your timetable and for example, what time does start? Draw a perfect timetable. So it up to you and your teacher. So this is a example paper. So you can use like this way in your paper. So think like a mathematician up to here. Our next thing, it's very important, check your progresses. Before starting question 2, we have to understand about this holiday camp table. Like here is several columns. First column is mentioning times, second, third, fourth, fifth is a mentioning the days Monday to Friday. So what day is there a late lunch? Look here, lunch 12, but in here is work, it means Wednesday, lunch later. So we can say Wednesday. What day is singing? So where is singing? This is singing, which is Thursday. Next, what time does singing start? It start 1, right? It can be PM. Okay. Next, you can use PM or if you don't want, no problem. Next, what day the children not need a tennis racket? Tennis, what day? So look, here Monday has tennis 2 p.m. but this is a games. Tennis. So which day? Tuesday. Okay, very simple. Number 3, train timetable again. Question 3, train timetable. Here is several column. First column is a station name, station name, second first train, second train, third train, and fourth train. So our first question, number A, grandma wants to go Sunny Meadow from Blueberry Hill. So where? Sunny Meadow to Blueberry Hill. What time does the earliest train leave the station? From Blueberry Hill. So what time does the earliest train leave the station? What time? It's a 7:30. 7:30. Granddad missed the earliest train from Sunny Meadow to Redwood Place. What time is the next train? So he missed. So next train is what time? He missed suppose 7:47 first train. So this station will not catch a second train. So he have to use third train, which time is 8:42. 8:42, right? Then Aman wants to go Sunny Meadow. She does not mind what time she arrives. Which train can she not go one? So look, wants to go Sunny Meadow. So Sunny Meadow, she does not mind what time she arrives. Okay, which train can she not go one? So second train Second train will not catch Sunny Meadow. So we can say second train. Okay. So finally, we have completed our timetable. Unit 14 done. So this is very important topics, which is timetable. My channel name is Sad Educare. By this channel you can get step by step solution of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3 or Workbook 3. But you can share your idea what types of question we can use or what types of question we can make regularly. This is I want to know about this thing, because all chapter is not important for examination or daily life, but some chapter is very important. So please share your idea. I will try to make video based on that kinds of topics. So till then, take care, keep practice, safe, clean, wish good health. No more today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare.